With 14 years of professional experience, Ningbo Pneumatic Technical Experts Company Limited has earned a trust and commitment from over 1.4 million customers through the world, with annual production output surpassing 200 million units. Rapid growth of NBPT has been possible through pragmatic, innovative, trustworthy, and mutually beneficial approach, which takes us a dominant force in the pneumatic components industry, a force which constantly rewrites boundaries and achievements of the Chinese pneumatic industry. Established in 2006, Ningbo Pneumatic Technical Experts Company Limited is located in Changhe Town Industrial Park, Cixi City on the south bank of Hangzhou Bay Bridge. NBPT facility covers an area of 20,000 square meters with production and office area exceeding 18,000 square meters. A Sino-Korean industrial joint venture who implements latest achievements and developments in R&D, manufacturing, and international trade for maximum benefit of our customers. Innovative technologies affect all aspects of the production and supply chain, from R&D, product testing to automated production. Every task, each project benefits from our dedicated, highly skilled, and experienced employees who actively participate in adopting newest technologies and innovations. We capitalize on our investment in high-end processing and assembly equipment. By integration of computerized product design with highly automated assembly process, we deliver a highest quality product at extremely competitive prices. Our own machine park includes a CNC lathes, plastic injection molds, EDM wire burning, rubber vulcanization process, just to name a few, allows us to quickly adapt to ever-changing market environment, demand, and conditions. Our products are widely used in industrial machinery, firefighting equipment, chemical industry, power equipment, just to name a few, and are exported to numerous countries through the world. Our markets include China, South Korea, Russia, the United States, European Union, Argentina, and many more. We have adopted a complete and effective product guarantee protocol. NBPT has been certified in ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management Verification System, 5S Management Mode, and Advanced Automatic Detection System. Keeping pace with the times and developing products based on innovation and science, NBPT has launched dozens of new and improved products, including pneumatic fittings, valve fittings, hydraulic fittings, check valves, etc. Until 2019, we have obtained over 30 patents and certificates. As a valued and trustworthy enterprise, we have been awarded a recognition and honors from the government and our loyal customers. We are committed to maintain sustainable development company for years to come. For 14 years, we have been devoted to pneumatic industry. We cherish every communication opportunity with our customers, current and new. Pursue product and service perfection. Since the establishment of NBPT, we have been actively participating in industrial and professional level exhibitions. We have been awarded unanimous honors and recognition from customers at home and abroad at PTC Shanghai Exhibition, Trade Fair, Hanover Malay, Turkey World Industrial Exhibition, among other. NBPT is fully committed to continually adhere to making a customer's and staff needs a priority, to pursue a sustainable, healthy corporate culture which focuses on the creative well-being and happiness of our all valued employees for life.